Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Jyoti Ketan and you're watching Arcandy. In this channel we discuss about architecture, construction and different material. Today I'm going to talk about all about architecture courses in Nepal. So without further delay, let's get started with today's video. Every year, thousands of students pass out from 12th and are in confusion. A lot of students are actually interested in BArch, but they don't know how to apply, when to apply, and lots of questions strike their mind. And many are in confusion about the course and end up taking a wrong decision. Many, like me, don't have any elder brother and sister to guide, so I feel that pain. So I don't want you to go through the same thing. That's why I'm here to guide you on this way. My videos will be a guide to every students who are seeking help. My motive here is only to guide you through this journey, and I think it's a crucial step after 12th to take decision whether architecture is for you or not. I'll be more than happy if my small part can help you in any way in your life, deciding your career profession. So let's get into the video. In the context of Nepal, there are many architecture colleges that come under different universities. I'll mention here some of the colleges that offer architecture courses. Some of the colleges are Pulchok Engineering College, Institute of Engineering that come under Tribhuvan University, Thapthali Campus, Himalaya College of Engineering, Kathmandu Engineering College, Khopa Engineering College, Nepal Engineering College, Acme Engineering College, Kantipur International College. There are lots of engineering colleges that offer architecture courses. It's a 5-year course and you can directly apply after 12th completion or diploma in engineering, and 12th completion should be in science. Every year, the fee structure changes. As per my knowledge, each year 1 lakh rupees increases in the amount from last year, and it also depends on college if it is private, semi-private or governmental colleges. In the IOE, you have nearly a very less fee structure than other private colleges and semi-private colleges. Your first priority is to go for the colleges that come under Tribhuvan University, like Institute of Engineering, that is Pulchok College. For the admission procedure in IOE Pulchok, you have to clear the intermediate level in science, that is +2 or diploma. IOE conducts entrance examination in academic year. Those who pass the exam are only allowed in Pulchok campus. There are many institutes who give preparation classes after 12th for appearing in Pulchok exam. But it solely depends on you and your knowledge, because this institute gonna do nothing. It's my experience and these exams are quite tough. Now the procedure to apply in private or semi-private colleges are: you have to fill the form, which are now available online also, and after submitting it you are allowed to sit in the exam, and when you pass you get the entry. The main subjects for applying in these exams are: you have to do the preparation of physics, chemistry, math, aptitude and English. The questions come from these subjects and all the questions are multiple choice questions. In applying in IOE, the full marks is 140 and test will be of 2 hours. There will be 10% negative marking for wrong answers, and the candidate should have admit card along with the ID proof, that may be driving license, citizenship certificate or passport. Architecture courses have 48 seats in each college. The total number of seats in Tribhuvan University is 175. You can check on their website frequently to know when the exams are going to conduct. The only thing I want to say is to get well prepared. Students go through lectures, field work, laboratory exercises and site visit after you join the college. The sole key to success is only the dedication. Keep motivated and nobody can stop you from achieving your dreams. So this much for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching.